Welcome to jobskillshare.org. Today we are going to start part 9, make your IT job easy with tools. This is part 8 right here. I just didn't name it this way. So let's get started with our lab quickly. Remember, these videos are quick videos, and this is not like a course video. So if I'm explaining something in this video, it's going to be very quick because I want to make your job easy. But at the same time, if you want to learn things and you feel like, oh, I just skipped through these things quickly, these are not course or tutorial type of videos that you will find on our site. So make sure you go to the site where you need to take these skills in detail and learn about it. So today we're going to talk about, let's say, this server right here. Let me just do this. So let's say the idea behind is this. You have a company. In this company you have about let's say 300 desktops right here. These are your desktops. And let's say in this company you have 70 or 20 servers right here, and your manager one day came to you. You just started work, and your manager told you that, can you go ahead and update all the Windows update on these 300 machines, and also third-party application like Java or some other software that is on these machines. Make sure everything is up to date, and also the servers, because now even it kind of targeted both titles, help desk guys or IT support guys, desktop support guys. Same for you, it doesn't matter. It could be someone new as a system administrator, and you got this task also. So how do you do this? Now there are a lot of tools, but remember, when I specifically talk about tools today to make your job easy, I'm just talking about this tool, not to compare this with other tools or to say others are better or this one is better than others. It's just that I'm saying that, okay, this is one way to do it, but maybe now you know the idea behind it. You can do your own search about the similar idea that I'm trying to discuss over here, and you can find different tools, and it just opens up your mind to this way of doing things. So what I'm talking about today is patch management system. This is what it calls. You have 300 machines right here. You have 70 servers, and your manager told you to upgrade all these to a new applications and updates. So are you going to go into this one by one? It's good, because if one computer can take, let's say, 30 minutes to do the whole updates, then multiply that with 300 machines and 70 servers, it's going to be a very stressful day for you, right? So there got to be some way. So they came up with these patch management servers, or you can have an application that have a module, like small module, and that can do everything for you. It could be a cloud-based server, so it could be outside, meaning somewhere like, sitting in a different area, and all you have to do is put software like agent on these machines, and then it connects to that cloud server, and then it can do everything for you. So both way will work, but the main idea is that you need to know patch management systems, right? So to get the patch management system, you really don't need anything hardware based. So this is really cool part about this tool that will make your job easy, is that you don't need any hardware. So a lot of things will be taken care of for you. So go to Google, type Comodo free patch management. Just type this, Comodo free patch management. This is the right here. What is patch management? Stay up to date. And you can see, you can read everything about it: security patches, automatic system discovery, patch testing, change management, all that stuff, Microsoft CVE, and it kind of like tests everything, some advanced stuff, which is really cool. And it's not just a patch management system which you get from Comodo Enterprise, this free license. You get a lot from this, but we're just going to talk about today patch management. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up here, and you will provide your email. So I'm going to go ahead and put the support email. So this is going to be your username. So when you type this in, you'll get to this page. It'll ask you for a password and telephone number. I'll give this information, then I'll log into my email. Once I receive the password, once I receive the confirmation that my console is ready from Comodo, then I'll just go ahead and log in and then start the video again. Alright, a verification email has been sent to your email. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my email. So make sure if you're using Office 365, check your spam quarantine emails. If you don't see it in 5 minutes or 2 minutes, or if you're using some other Gmail accounts, make sure you look into your spam folder, because sometimes it can get flagged out because of the way Comodo.1 and the way they name things. But it's a secure site. They even offer security certificates, so it's a pretty known company. So I will pause, play my video again. Once I have that, you'll get this email, and then you'll just click on verify my email, and it will verify your email, and there you go. Welcome to Comodo 1. You can now log in with your email and password. So I'm gonna go ahead and type my email, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my password and then log in. So it's logging me in right now. There you go. And then you need to provide some information here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just put your company name and subdomain, like for example, if it's JobSkillShare, it's gonna say jobskillshare.service.comodo.com. Now this gives you so many things that we can discuss in different videos, so I don't want to waste my time, but I'm just going to give you a very quick overview right now. So here you see you have a basic edition unlimited user dash free. So you're going to go ahead and click next after that, and this gives you so much for free that I think we should be thankful to Comodo that they're doing this. Of course, if they don't just say, okay, we're done, we're not giving you guys free access anymore. So yeah, that's a risk right there. But so what's happening right now, it's creating this little cloud-based servers for you back in, I don't know what they use. So now there's a lot of things that's happening in this. IT security manager, full mobile deployment. You can even manage mobile applications, even phone. You can, once you connect it, your phones are connected to this console, you can wipe them off. You can do anything with it. You can even provide support. Any desktops that can be connected with the agents, you can provide like support to them. Help desk right here. You can, people can submit ticketing system, a full ticketing system right here in Comodo. You can have everything in one place. Security is another big one that they offer, and you can get that also with their antivirus blocking applications. So some really advanced stuff that people use outside with multiple vendors, and people have it these days. And now they came up with this idea that let's put everything in one place and not even use it as a software, just provide a cloud-based access and everything will be there. All you need is a simple agent installer. Once you install that on a machine, and that automatically connects you to this console right here, and all you need is access to this. Now of course this becomes a security thing for a lot of people. It doesn't, maybe some people might not like this because you're putting your computer data might be going outside to Comodo, and now it's about the trust thing. Some people may like it because they don't want to deal with the servers like that. There's small companies that cannot hire people and things like that. It can make things easier for some people, but it may not be approved for some companies. But again, this is more of a choices on a company level, higher ups, and they decide this stuff. But you have this idea now that you can use these type of tools and you can bring it in-house then, and not even use the cloud version like this, and then you can have no worries about data going out of your company. So now you can say okay to that, and you can see welcome to Comodo 1 Enterprise. This is an enterprise level application, and you see how many things you have. First you will be a little lost, but the things that I want to discuss is simply by clicking here. You can see the overview of this: service desk, IT and security manager, patch management. This is what we're going to talk about today, and then you have some other things. So let's go ahead and click on patch management and see what we have here. When you click on patch management, you're going to see something like this, which is nothing in there. There's nothing in the patch management system. So for patch management to see anything, you need a device, and that device is your desktop and servers that we talked about, that 300 and 400. And deployments are also super easy. They even give you a tool that you can deploy applications, any application, exe, msi, mst files. You can deploy to any systems, domain controllers, work group. But I would prefer you to check my videos on PDQ deploy. PDQ deploy. Even there's a course, software deployment course in our site. Make sure you watch that to deploy agents or software to other computers. But we're going to test it today just on one computer. So what you want to do is to click on device list right here, and you can see there's actually no devices. You can click on enroll device. This can give you a link also, and you can actually see right here email enrollment instructions. You can send the email to this email, and then they can go to the email and basically open it on that computer and click on the link, and it will install that. If you click on show instruction, it creates a special link for you to enroll devices. You can see right here Apple devices, Android, and so many other things that's available right here. And even though a token enrolling manually, there's a token right there. So let's say, for example, I want to use this link. I'm going to send it to everybody, and then they can just do it that way. Or you can install installer from this, and then send it to these machines, and they will get enrolled automatically. So in this case, let's go to the lab, and we want to enroll our 2016 server. So we want to manage this server. So all I'm gonna have to do right now is to copy paste this link, and that's it. You see right here installer, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it. And this is very important for someone new, because someone can ask you about patch management system. You can even land a pretty big job in software deployment side where you do the deployments for some software like SCCM, BigFix, IBM type of software, and they do the similar stuff. All you need is to know this way of doing things. So you see right now what I'm doing. I open things, and I got the link from it, and now it's connecting everything. So this is what happens in major big deployments, you know. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run it, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the installation. Now what I'm doing right now is, again, this is a manual stuff. I'm copying, pasting the link, installing it, doing this way. I could simply take this installer, put it in a PDQ, and send it to 300 machines, and in a second or a few minutes I will have all these machines, and then it will report back to my Comodo console that all these patches are missing. Right here, your device is now enrolled. If I go back to my Comodo now, and I go to devices list, it's very quick though. Now sometimes if you're brand new to Comodo, you might see a little lag in there, but look at this. Job skill share A is already in there, and what component it's using? Agent. I can add more components in there by using their profile, which is again another very powerful feature, which I'm going to do another video on just Comodo enterprise features. How to install it, how to check these profiles, how to do some advanced stuff in it. But the major thing was to show you guys the patch management system here. And if I click on it right now, it's even showing that it's patched, but maybe it's not. It haven't done the whole scan on that machine. So if you look at it after 5 or 30 minutes, what will happen if you go to the patch management here? And look at it, it's already actually finding things right now. So it found these are security updates right here from Microsoft, and they are available. They're not installed on this machine right now. So if I do third-party applications, so far it haven't done that full scan, so it's not seeing that. But per machine you can see it this way, or you can go to the patch management again from the top like that, patch management, and you will see it this way. Now it's seeing actually more. You see how it's doing the scan so quickly. So if I go back to the device list one more time, you can see how it's telling me that this machine is missing 4 patches. And if I want to do something about these patches, I can just click on this 4 right here and click all right here. Of course you will be doing your testing like this. If you're in a real environment, you're going to be testing patches this way, and then you will be doing things, and you can see it's installed. Some of them are if you in a profile you decided that these needs to be installed automatically, then it will install it. But let's say if it's not automatically installed, then you can just click on this like this way and then click on install, and now it send the command to that machine. And you don't even see it on this machine though. If you come here, no one will see this. It's back, it's like, you know, silent. So everything is done. If the machine requires a reboot, you can send a message, this will get rebooted, and then when you come back to your Comodo again with your device list one more time, then this will change, the number will change over here to green check mark once this is done. This is similar to the third-party application, which makes this so powerful that now you're not stick to one application, Microsoft application that just only do Microsoft. Everything will be like patch management system. And I have discussed this in another video about Manage Engine. They do the same thing, but they're limited to 25 users. So if you're really interested in knowing this even in more detail, make sure you watch my new video that's going to be just on Comodo. Or if you can't wait, then you can just go to the jobskillshare.org and then take the help desk course. There's a section about patch management system, and that's also about Manage Engine, not about Comodo. But if you want to learn more about patch management, so today I know the video is a little big because it's a big thing, you know, so that's why we need to explain a little bit more and show you this cool product that you can use. So see you guys in a different video to make your job easy. Make sure you comment and let me know how these videos are helping you. Thank you, and see you guys in a different video.